Good morning, everyone. I am presenting to you my presentation on being a successful team leader. My name is Jessica Martinez, and I'm submitting this for Dr. Wood for Contemporary Leadership Challenges. So our agenda today, I'm going to assess the actions, behaviors, and characteristics of my invisible leader, as well as myself. And then what I'm going to do is compare the similarities, the differences between us, and what my best approach is to develop the characteristics of becoming a successful team leader. Some of the actions, behaviors, and characteristics that my invisible leader demonstrates is confidence. She's able to display confidence without being arrogant, and this is important to becoming a successful team leader. She's decisive. She has the ability to make decisions quickly. She's a negotiator with the ability to negotiate for teams and also for the students and being able to meet in the middle. So nobody feels like, not that they're losing a situation, but feels that they can leave the situation with some fairness. She's able to maintain her composure and stay focused on the solutions that need to be handled. And one really key thing that I envy her for is her creativity, being able to think outside the box and come up with new ideas. My actions, behaviors, and characteristic would lie with my organization. I do like everything in its place, so I have the saying everything in its place and a place for everything. It's been a saying that's been around for many years, and I live by that saying. I think if you're organized, you're able um, to be a successful team leader. A motivator, I have the mentality that you can do it. I like to motivate everyone around me, including my family members. Integrity. I think it's important in establishing professional and also your personal reputation. So that's something that I think I do great as a team leader. Building trust. I like to build trust amongst everyone. I think trust is a key component to being a successful team lead. And then also developing milestones. I think you take it one step at a time, and it really depends on the person what milestones I set. But I think that that does ultimately help them become successful. In comparison, some of the similarities that I have with my invisible leaders, we do like to focus on behaviors. We are both motivators and we like to develop that trust. Confidence, we both have confidence, and I think that is key without being arrogant. And integrity, our own personal integrity and displaying integrity to others. Again, the differences in previous submissions that I have sent in, my invisible leader displays a little bit more confidence. Although we do have that as a similarity, that's always something that I can work on myself to get at that level where my invisible leader is. Creativity, being able to be creative, my invisible leader does that very well, where I sometimes still have a little bit of a struggle with that. And then being able to make decisions and doing them quickly. Sometimes I linger and ponder on thoughts when a decision needs to be made, and that's something I would like to improve on. So my best approach would be the ability to think outside the box, to become more creative. And I think if I become more creative and have that ability, that will help me become more decisive in my decisions and ultimately help me become a better or an even more successful team leader. Thank you. My contact information is here, as well as my resource that I used, 10 Essential Skills to Become a Successful Team Leader.